Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along as I make some chicken chimichangas, or really just fried chicken burrito. When I go to our favorite Mexican restaurant, that's what I get. So I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. Usually I deep fry them, but today I'm just going to do it in the air fryer. So what I did, I just boiled a couple of chicken breasts till they were done, shredded it, and then I covered them, set it in the refrigerator till I got ready to fix them. So what I just do, I season my chicken with what I like. Now, if you want onions and green peppers in there, go ahead and saute them up till they start to get soft and add that in the mixture. I thought I had some and I don't, but that's fine. So I'm just adding a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add this adobo seasoning. It has your garlic and all in it. And just season it the way you like it and as much as you like. I'm just showing you what I'm adding. I'm adding a little bit of paprika. And I'm adding some of this Cajun seasoning. Not a lot, but Alex and Ricky like it. I'm going to add just a little bit of some ground cumin, or however how you say it. And just for the color, I dehydrated me some parsley. So I'm going to crush that and add that too. Make it pretty. And also, I made some guacamole. And I have just a little bit of that seasoning mix left over. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on there. And just give it a good mix. And again, if you wanted onions and peppers, go ahead and saute them up a little bit and add that to your mixture. Okay, I have me some flour shells because I can't say tortillas, and we don't want to overfill them. And there we go. Now I am going to spritz these with just a little bit of oil because I found when I made my cheesesteak egg rolls, and that was a wonton wrapper or egg roll wrapper or whatever, it does get kind of hard. So I'm going to spray it we want it to be crunchy and crisp, but I'm just going to spray it and just see how it does. I'll bring you back when I got them ready to go in the air fryer. Okay, I've got mine rolled up, and it's according on how big you want your chimichanga or fried burrito to the size shells that you buy. And I've lightly spritzed them with some oil. So I'm going to put mine in my air fryer between the 3 and the 4, between 320 and 400. And I'm going to put them on 10 minutes. And I'll check them halfway through and see if I need to flip them or anything. But I'll bring you back. Alright, my 10 minutes are up. They look good. I'm not going to flip them because I don't want them to come open. But I'm going to let these go just for a couple more minutes. I'm going to turn the heat down just to make sure the inside's nice and warm. But just keep a check on them. And then I'll bring you back when we go to try it. And it's done. I've got my refried beans, some guacamole, and our fried chicken chimichanga or fried chicken burrito with our cheese and salsa over the top and some tortilla chips. And so here comes Ricky. He's going to try it because this is his plate that I made. When you get it cut open, just kind of show the inside. Okay. Might be hot.
Very good.
You like it?
Excellent, yep.
It got a good taste?
Yes.
And I've noticed that with spraying just a little bit of the cooking spray on there, like it's not really like hard, but it's still just a little bit soft. And then you're going to have cheese over the top of it too. So thanks for watching. I'll have some links down below to my air fryer and some of the things, and he's walking away with his plate, to some of the things that I've used. I hope you check them out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.